Yeah, this is what it's like. You can see they're putting the brood together. They're actually putting honey and capping it, but this is a brood section. When they fill this out, it's a very young hive. Remember great honey come from happy bees. Look at them coming back in. So beautiful. So I'm trying to set up this wax foundation. So that the bees can improve. Let me try it on this one instead. This is a lot better. The last spot you put this back here. Ideally a smaller nail would be better. Perfect. It's very windy today. I was going to try a bit of coconut fiber. Just let them know I'm here. It's a pretty nice hive. Not wearing a bee suit or anything. Oh, the wind is too much. I might need this in a minute. Just a small amount of smoke. Let them know I'm here. Okay, let's see it. Hey there, lovely ones. Oh, they're beautiful. Let me rest this down over here. So this is my hive. It's a pretty good hive. They're filling up the fifth frame already. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Filling up the fifth frame. And I'm gonna try to get 2 more frames in there. I think I could get 2 more frames in there. I'll show you them in a second when I'm finished. This would be a 10 frame brood box. I may need to adjust it a bit. I don't think it wants to take 10. Let me see. So they may have hardened up here too much, so I will have to move just a little. They do cement everything down. It's okay, lovies. Just need y'all to move a little bit this way. You see the bees? Bees are very good walkers. They cement everything down. Just need to adjust a little bit. That should give me what I need. Yep. I think that's it there. Slight adjustments. Let's see. It's a beautiful hive. Lovely bees. Good temperament queen. Perfect. So, mission accomplished. Let me see if I could give them a small amount of smoke again. Not too much smoke. It's probably enough smoke. It's a good hive. I want to lift one of the brood up to show you. That's just enough smoke right there. So let me show you this. This will be the most productive. They were working on this one. Let me see if I can take this one up. Yes, sir. You don't want to cause too much disturbance. Let me sit down. Yeah, they got it stuck really good. Anyways, part 2, I will show you the inside. So I am here by the bees. Of course, I'm not wearing a bee suit. You can see them, they're so cute. Hard working bees. We already had 4 brood frames. When they reach to maybe 7, then I'll put a honey super on top of it. But for now, they're just starting out. Yep. Bareback beekeeping. Let me see if I can get one out to show you. See if the temperament start changing. Then I'll have to ease back a bit. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, they're getting a bit annoyed. Let me give them one last smoke. I mean, these are live animals. Nope. This one definitely is a bit annoyed. Let me see. Hey there, little fella, it's okay. They're signaling. They're actually posturing me. I need to be very careful right now. But yeah, this is what it's like. You can see they're putting the brood together. They're actually putting honey and capping it, but this is a brood section. When they fill this out, it's a very young hive. After they fill this out, I'm going to put honey super on the top. Let me get them back there where they can be comfortable. So I wanted to put this cover. It's not a new one, but it's just to give them an extra layer on the top before this metal cover to protect them from the elements. It's not gonna do them any harm, just an added layer of protection. Yep, it was a successful endeavor. See you on the next one.